important is the patient perspective in this whole process? I just finished an interview with Dr. Peter Newman, and he alluded to the increasing value of the patient perspective in demonstrating the comparative effectiveness. What do you see happening in here?
Yeah, I hope that works out. I mean, that would certainly go along with the theme CMS has been emphasizing of comparative effectiveness, reflecting patient perspectives on the outcomes that are important for them and additional benefits that a drug can provide versus the therapeutic alternatives. I would feel better if we were further along than we are in routinely capturing and studying those patient perspectives. I guess back to the topic that we talked about earlier of, it seems like a great opportunity here for CMS to maybe work with FDA as well as patient groups on clarifying, what kinds of patient-reported outcomes they'd like to see. FDA has had for a number of years a patient-focused drug development program that put emphasis on outcomes that matter to patients. So now we've got maybe similar needs and opportunities here. And I'd also like to see, back to one of the topics we started with at the beginning of this, is can we do more to pay for better outcomes for patients in the Medicare program? So one of Medicare's top overall priorities is to move away from just traditional fee-for-service patients, and as they've put it, give everyone in Medicare access to coordinated longitudinal care, and whether you call it accountable care, an ACO, or something like that, but where your primary care provider group and the other physicians and health systems they're working with are paid, at least in part, based on getting a better patient experience and getting better patient outcomes. Well, that seems like it could really be synergistic with some of the real world evidence and some of this CMS policy emphasis on supporting drugs that and use of drugs that really does make a difference for the outcomes that matter to patients.